accused at the Patiala court today, and the update that's coming, the news that's breaking this minute, that all 14 of those who were arrested have been granted bail. The Patiala court has granted bail to them. Our correspondent Priyank Tripathi with us still over the phone line. Priyank, take us through the grounds on which they've been granted bail, really.
The defense counsel argued with the Delhi police public prosecutor on the grounds on which these supporters were arrested yesterday. And after that, the court has come to a conclusion that all these accused will be given bail by the court. In fact, they have already been given bail by the court by paying such and such amount. The amount hasn't been disclosed by the court. It will come out when the official order in this matter will come. But definitely what we can tell it to our viewers at this point of time, that it is a major setback for the Delhi police officials, because after so much of drama, after so much of ruckus which has been happening since yesterday till today morning, the Delhi police arrested 14 of the accused, and all of them have got bail from the court, which clearly indicates that the police wasn't able to give enough material of evidence to the court. That's why the court has taken a decision to give bail to all these 14 accused in this case so far. Concluding to this, we can also, following to this, we can also conclude that after getting bail of these 14 accused, Delhi police won't take a chance to do arresting of Shazia Ilmi and Ashutosh in this case, although their statement will be recorded by the Delhi police.
To get our viewers up to date with what we're really playing out live at the moment, on your screens are these shots of Delhi police taking the AAP leader Shazia Ilmi. She's being taken to the CR Park police station, the Chittaranjan Park police station in South Delhi. These are shots of the Delhi police team there, who at the moment has taken the AAP leader Shazia Ilmi. She's been taken ahead to the Chittaranjan Park police station. The Delhi police at the moment maintaining that neither of the two leaders, neither Ashutosh nor Shazia Ilmi, for the moment are being arrested. In fact, they've been asked to join the investigations. We must also understand multiple other developments that have taken place as far as the Aam Aadmi Party there is concerned. The Aam Aadmi Party has been slammed by the Delhi police. Delhi police a short while back submitted a report to the Election Commission office there, clearly stating that AAP workers started the clash, they initiated the clash as well as the violence. Not just that, Delhi police also accusing the Aam Aadmi workers there of manhandling Delhi police personnel and attacking them as well. Not just that, the Election Commission has also already sent a notice to the Aam Aadmi Party. The main charge against them, of course, these clashes and protests that were carried out last evening outside the Delhi BJP headquarters last evening in New Delhi. This protest march was in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party went ahead with this protest march without taking prior permission from the Election Commission. Soon after, of course, the election code, the model code of conduct set in after the announcement of the election schedule. Our correspondent Molly Gambhir with us over the phone line. Molly, take us through those developments as the shots that we are playing at the moment. These shots, of course, of the Delhi police taking Shazia Ilmi at the moment to Chittaranjan Park. Of course, Delhi police still maintaining that they're not being arrested at the moment.
Absolutely, she is being taken to the CR Park police station as we speak. In fact, trouble mounting for Shazia Ilmi also, with the Delhi Election Commission issuing a notice to the party for taking no permission before holding that protest march. At the moment also, Delhi police pointing towards only questioning and no arrest of both Shazia Ilmi and Ashutosh. But it remains to be seen how things really unfold in the later part of the day. But at the moment, the kind of defense that Shazia Ilmi is coming with, and supporters, of course, also talking about how the BJP and the Congress are trying to target the Aam Aadmi Party, how the Delhi police are being biased. We've seen statements emerging from both Shazia and Ashutosh, which blame the police for not only targeting the Aam Aadmi Party and sparing the BJP, for not arresting any of the BJP workers. Remember, it was a clash. Both sides are trying to blame each other over who instigated the mob, what really led to this ugly turn of events. Both sides blaming each other also for making this making this a violent protest, what was intended to be a peaceful one. But at the moment, Party completely cornered. Shazia Ilmi, of course,
Certainly. Molly
by-
Gambhir, Priyank Tripathi, many thanks for those inputs and those multiple updates that are coming in. We'll have to leave it at that.